Do you know 547,200 new websites are being created every day? That is 380 websites every single minute. Hopefully you also are sick and tired of being told that every business needs to switch to digital to survive this never-ending pandemic. And that opens a door to big $284 billion opportunity. Here are some average freelancers who are making six figures income by helping businesses in going digital on Fiverr, Odesk, freelancers, etc. Boomer Smith has made $20,400 on Fiverr in just 4 months of his start in December 21 and still counting. Now, he is charging $1,200 per project and has completed almost 17 projects in just 4 months, which made him $20,400 in income. Meet Brian C. Rising Talent. That's the official tag given by Upwork. He earned almost $17,495 in just 47 days on Upwork. He started his website development services for the lawyers and charges them $3,099 per website on Upwork, which lawyers are happy to pay. BrightDoc has made almost $183,000 till yet on Freelancer and has completed over 180 successfully completed freelancer projects in under 2 years. He has a freelancing team of 40 digital designers to work for him, so he just focuses on growth. He is charging $100 per hour, and people are ready to pay for his awesome job. Interested? Hi there, I am Dr. Amit Parikh, along with the Chal Goswami and Adil Parikh, and together, we have happily sold over $9 million of digital products and have 18 plus years of online business experience. Not only have we made millions of dollars for ourselves, but more importantly, we have also helped thousands of people get their desired profitable business online right from the comfort of their home with zero prior knowledge and technical skills. And while we don't say this to brag, we do want to make one thing clear. Whatever business you do online, you need a website. And if you browse on internet, you will find a website for everything, be it for a local business, online business that sells services, e-com store that sells physical products, software products, info products, affiliate products, or even if it is a list building business. And when you tap into its immense power and use it for your business, the results can be true freedom and explosive income all at the same time. But here is a problem you may face while building websites for yourself or for clients. You must spend hours on building a website from scratch. You need to learn how to code or design. Hiring a developer to build website is a costly affair. Lots of headache on deciding which theme, color, design, etc. And lastly, you might choose any ordinary website builder. Those are of low quality, higher recurring cost, and very less flexibility. So, the question is, can you still make huge profits from website building business without any big commitment of time and money? And the answer is yes. Now you can. Introducing WebPrimo, JVZoo's first premium WordPress website builder framework to create elegant and highly professional websites for any business in any niche in next 7 minutes flat. It comes with a free agency license to build an incredible income offering services. Now, you can create and sell websites for big profits to businesses like doctors, attorneys, restaurants, architects, marketers, and in hundreds of other niches. Let's have a closer look and see WebPrimo in action. It has never been easier to create professional, SEO-optimized, and mobile-friendly business websites that drive customers 360-degree. But with WebPrimo, it is easy and fast. WebPrimo helps anyone create fast-loading websites in any niche in just 3 easy steps, which also hand you over the power to build a profitable agency business from scratch. Step 1. Choose a template. To begin, just choose a theme from our 30-plus beautiful themes hosted on cloud, and 200-plus done-for-you templates in various niches. Step 2. Customize the site. Now, all you need to do is customize it to best matches your business needs and get your website up and running. Step 3. Publish and profit. Now publish your client services, products, or blogs, and you're all done. Now use it or sell to your clients for instant profits. No installation, no designing, or other techie stuff. In few hours, you can create professional business site ready for any niche, and everything works under a single dashboard. with zero frustration of learning. It's easy, fast, and built with love. With WebPrimo, you can do much more. Build beautifully designed websites, marketplace, and e-com stores with your services, products, portfolios, services, testimonials, and start selling online right away. Accept payments for your services and products. With seamless WooCommerce and payment gateway integrations, you'll receive 200 stunning, eye-catchy, and fully customizable templates to captivate audience and maximize visitors' engagement. Use them to build any type of business websites for your own business or for your clients in any niche. No guesswork, no assumptions. Just choose from proven to convert design and templates to quick start and create a website within few minutes. Next up, you can build lightning-fast mobile sites that engage every mobile visitor for more sales. You can even disable disturbing sidebars and footer widgets on mobile to boost the performance. Change the header color or BG image and much more. Maybe you want to change text color, font family, font size, or headlines. Well, you can do it all in just few clicks right from the dashboard. And that's just a handful of features. There are many more valuable benefits included, such as get more likes, shares, and viral social traffic with inbuilt social media tools. Maximize your lead generation results with our ready-to-use and beautiful lead forms in 7 different colors. Want to track your visitors using Google Analytics, Webmasters, or want to use Facebook or Marketing Pixels? You can do it too without even touching any code in just a few clicks. Set up a Google map or a beautiful slider with video, image, or lead form options with a strong call to action button. Now your wish has become a reality. We went even further and are introducing you a beautiful slider to entice your audience, which you can display in more than 20 different combinations with CTA options and lead forms. So, whatever your goal, we have a proven solution for you. So, just get your hands on WebPrimo to create and sell mobile responsive, highly engaging premium websites. And it streamlines everything for you 24/7. Even while you are sipping your cappuccino, watching your favorite web series on Netflix, shaking your leg on the dance floor, or even watching the Lakers nail their opponents on the court, it has got everything covered. And that makes WebPrimo a cut above the rest. It's fast and easy. It's reliable. Isn't it amazing? Yes, this is a state-of-the-art solution, and I am sure that you will love it. And in case you ever get stuck, we'll always be here for you with our customer support. So, I hope you are thrilled with the premium features I just shared with you. So, stop wasting your time and hard-earned money on learning WordPress, coding and designing yourself, paying big fee to freelancers and developers, paying monthly to website builders, and other recurring software that undermine your efforts. WebPrimo has everything you need to start right away and build a profitable business online. So, what are you waiting for? WebPrimo is available for just one-time price without any limitations, but just for this special charter launch. And after this introductory phase, it's going to get back to its rightful monthly price. And if you act now, you'll also receive our limited time agency license. That means you could use this for your clients and charge them monthly for this top-notch solution. This will also give you a massive opportunity to make additional or full-time income each month. Go for this one-time investment that's fully covered by our 30-day money-back guarantee and grab your complete access to this ultimate platform. Now the clock is ticking here, so click on the button below and get instant access to WebPrimo for this one-time low price before it turns to monthly recurring. Lastly, we, Dr. Amit Parikh, Achal Goswami, and Adil Parikh congratulate you in advance for taking action now to build your successful business for years to come. The WebPrimo team is waiting to assist you and welcome you inside your exclusive members area.